Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tasha and I create content focused on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And in today's video, I have a review for you guys. The Louis Vuitton Alma BB, and girl, damn, like this bag is everything. Like, do you see her? So if you watch my other luxury items from Louis Vuitton, you know I am a true Louis Vuitton monogram print kind of woman. And this is literally the only bag, should I say only? This is the only bag that I've seen so far in their entire catalog that I would ever probably get in the Damier Ebene print. I didn't even look twice at the monogram print because I didn't like the light trim, but I love this chocolate on chocolate look that they had going on with the Damier Ebene for this, and girl, it had me. This part is canvas, as we all know, and then the straps, the crossbody one, and the bottom is real leather in a nice chocolate color, and the hardware is gold. The clochette is also real leather and also came with a it came with a lock and 2 keys. I have a key on the bag. I don't even know where the second one is already. That's a shame. That is a whole shame. But yeah, it comes with a gold lock that has the LV logo on one side, and then on the back it says Louis Vuitton Paris. This key is heavier than the bag. Well, this lock is heavier than the bag. Like, comes with 2 zippers, and then the lock would just go sideways right there. So you have to turn the lock sideways to basically put it on, and you need to like separate the bag just a tad bit, or the zippers just a little bit, to get the second part in so it could close, and then you lock her, and then the clochette is right here. I had a really hard time trying to close the clochette because I don't really have another bag that has a clochette on there. So a girl been put this thing on 500 ways until I think I finally figured it out. So I'm gonna do a separate video on that to show you guys how to put on a clochette. And those of you who do not know what a clochette is, it is this little bell-shaped thing that's on the Louis Vuitton bags that do come with a lock. It's a gold hardware. You have the LV on the long body strap right here on both sides, and then it has the LV logo on the zippers. It has the Louis Vuitton on all 4 knobs at the bottom, and it also have right here, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. I'm gonna show you guys how much this bag can hold, because I see a lot of reviews on here and people are complaining that this bag do not hold a lot. Yes, for the price point that this bag is sold at, it's a small bag, especially for the fact that it's not actually a full-on leather bag. I can understand the sizing should be a little bit bigger, but that's why they do have a bigger version of this, so you guys could get that if you don't like the smaller one. Those of you for size reference, if you guys don't know how truly small this bag is, I am 5'5", pretty small, and I have tiny hands, which is why I always get my nails really long, and my hand is taller than this bag. And I'm not talking about my fingertips, I'm talking about my actual hand. From palm to the top of the bag, it's higher. My hand is higher than that. So lengthwise, you'll probably get 2 hand lengths. So yeah, and then on the back side, on both sides, so it's this side and this side, it says Louis Vuitton Paris, and it's good. So the inside is this gorgeous red, guys. Like, this is what I needed from this bag, was that red interior. Like, do you see that? Like, oh my god. So In this bag I have my key clay with my car key and my earpods. I have my lip balm that came in my Ipsy bag for this month. It's by this brand called the Moroccan Magic, and it's argan oil and essential oil lip balm, and it's in the flavor peppermint eucalyptus. This is my perfume. Y'all know I'm in love with this thing. It is my Versace Bright Crystal. I also have a full-on book. It's a poetry book, and it's called She Just Wants to Forget by R.H. Sin. And this book is so good. Like, I love a good aesthetic. I love creativity, and you could just see the bag, how they did it. It's right up my alley when it comes on to color scheme, and it's just everything. And then I also have, I don't normally carry all of this stuff in a bag. This is just for me to show you guys how much stuff can actually fit in here, since I always see people saying it doesn't carry a lot of stuff. I have my Curology moisturizer. I also have my Chanel No. 5 perfume. I don't use this much. I don't know. And I also put this in here to show you guys how wide the bag actually is at the bottom, so you guys can have how long it is at the bottom, so you guys can know exactly what could fit in here. This is a regular size body mist. This is the one by Rihanna that came out years ago, nude, and I still have this baby. And then we get to the bottom of the bag. It's this beautiful red. On the inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. And again, one of my things that I absolutely love when my bags are made in France as opposed to the USA. I have not received one so far that has been made in Italy or Spain, so I can't really complain about those because I never really have one or gotten one. But I do prefer mine to be made in France as opposed to the USA. And then it has a pocket. Like I said, it's this beautiful red for the interior. It's I forgot the name of this, but it's like a textured linen type of material. It's not smooth, it's not velvet, it's not suede, it's just a textured material. And it is gorgeous on the inside. But yeah, guys, that's it for this bag. I absolutely love her. She is stunning. Can't complain, have no complaints. My bang is all out of whack. This is what she looks like on my waist as a crossbody, and she's absolutely gorgeous. And then in your hand, if you want to wear her, you could just go like this. And she's a beauty, like, oh my god, she's so cute. Yeah, also the little knobs on all four for where the straps are. For the top handles, they all say Louis Vuitton on there as well, just in case I forgot to mention that. And then the clasp for the crossbody, it's a little push lock or a push clasp, so it pushes. I don't know, I can't get it. But it's just a little thing. It's not as complicated as the one on the key clay. But yeah, and then it has its own little separate hook that it goes onto, as opposed to this side, if that makes sense. Does that make sense? So it has this part, and then it has an extra part up at the top to put the latch on. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.